Hello friends, is your cruise control not working, or is your check engine light on? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0582, it means there's a problem with the vacuum control circuit in your cruise control system. This could be due to a faulty solenoid, damaged wiring, or even a blown fuse. But where exactly is the problem? Let's locate the sensor and fix this issue. What is P0582? What is P0582? The P0582 code stands for Cruise Control Vacuum Control Circuit Open. This means the vacuum solenoid in the cruise control system is either not receiving power or has an open circuit, preventing the system from maintaining speed properly. Common symptoms of P0582: cruise control won't engage. Cruise control disengages suddenly. Check engine light, CEL, is on. Hissing sound from the engine bay, vacuum leak. Poor acceleration or inconsistent throttle response. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0582, check these key components. Cruise control, vacuum solenoid. Location, usually near the throttle body or intake manifold. This solenoid regulates vacuum pressure for cruise control. If it's faulty, the system won't maintain speed. Cruise control module. Location, inside the engine bay, often near the firewall. This module controls the cruise functions. A failure here can cause circuit issues. Vacuum lines and hoses. Location, connected to the intake manifold and throttle body. Cracked or disconnected vacuum lines can cause leaks, preventing proper operation. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this sensor is faulty, it may disable cruise control by mistake. Fuses and wiring harness. Location, fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Blown fuses or damaged wiring can interrupt the vacuum solenoid's power supply. Common causes of P0582: faulty cruise control vacuum solenoid. The solenoid is responsible for regulating vacuum pressure. If it's damaged, it won't hold speed. Damaged vacuum hoses. Cracked or disconnected vacuum lines lead to leaks, making the cruise system fail. Electrical wiring issues. Short circuits or broken wires can stop power from reaching the solenoid. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A burnt fuse in the cruise control circuit can cause P0582. Malfunctioning cruise control module. If the module itself is failing, it might be sending incorrect signals. How to fix P0582. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional codes. If other faults are present, fix them first. Step 2. Inspect the cruise control vacuum solenoid. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check for vacuum leaks. Examine all hoses and replace any damaged lines. Step 4. Test the cruise control module. If it's not sending the correct signals, it may need replacement. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Repair any corroded or broken wires. Step 6. Check fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to cruise control. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control system after repairs. Final words. Ignoring P0582 can lead to a completely non-functional cruise control system and poor vehicle performance. Fixing it early will restore smooth operation and keep your drive comfortable. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0410, secondary air injection system malfunction. P0411, secondary air injection, incorrect flow detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.